Hello, mighty pirates! So, what are we going to see today? Today, we are going to see this. For Commodore 64, a multi-failure one. When we received this Commodore 64, the color RAM was actually not working very well. So, the screen would look like this. As you can see in the image here. And so, we decided to run some tests, and while the Commodore was running, the image kept, becoming more messy. And we're going to see again, like I'm going to switch this on. The more the Commodore stays switched on, the worse it gets. So basically this is a problem that, of course, we need to fix this. Damn, poor machine. My goodness. All right, so we're going to, in the next sessions, we're going to test the CPU, and do other tests too. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Damn it. I'm going to switch this off. Poor guy. And of course, the main suspect here is the PLA. And what did we discover? We did discover that this machine has already been opened and tried to fix, because the PLA doesn't have a clear soldering like this one, the factory one. So some people here decided to desolder a PLA and put another one, maybe, or maybe that's the same, and without putting on a socket. Oh my goodness, that's terrible. I mean, come on, put a socket. So the soldering is almost done. As you can see, we try to pull out almost everything. So it's time to pull out this PLA. I'm gonna take a look on the other side. Here it is. We're going to pull out this and see what happens. Let's do it. So we successfully removed the PLA, and I'm going to tell you that whoever decided to resolder a PLA without putting on a socket is a complete idiot. Okay? There's no other way to say it. You are complete idiot. Because pulling out this thing was very, very hard, because you also damaged the pins, I think, while resoldering it. So now I need to clean the holes and check the lines out. You are an idiot, period. So we have been socketing this thing. We tried hard to clean the solder is, and the socket here now is ready to have a PLA to test it. Okay, so let's do it. So here it is. The PLA is on the socket. I switched on the system here, and it seems stable. So if it ever happens that you have strange colors on the screen, before changing this thing, just wait a moment and see if the colors stay in the same position or anything, so the screen doesn't change, because it might be a partially working PLA that I've been removing. So now I'm going to run the test, the classical test the dead test cartridge test and see how it goes. Let's do it. Alright, so the system is stable. I mean, it doesn't hang up. It functions, but this SID is failing. Also, this test reports this U28 bad, which is this one. But I really doubt it, because when the SID is damaged, there might be some false positives. So, the next step will be to remove this failing SID and replace it with a functioning one. But I'm very happy because this is just another Commodore 64 that was dead. I mean, not functional. But, of course, we can fix it and bring it to new life. Okay, so let's do it. So as you can see, we replaced the SID here. Super nice. On the socket. And then we're going to run the test. 3, 2, 1. When the noise is in the background. Yeah. Let's do it. Whoa. Seems to go way much better than before, because the cursor seems to be faster. I don't know, maybe it's just an impression. So, let's wait. And also, I'm very curious to see if U28 still gets the error message. Wow, everything seems to be fine. Oh, the volume is too low. I'm going to pump up the volume a little. Right. So the timers are good. So Chia seems to work just fine. It's been quite difficult to remove the SID because there was some oxidation on the sides, but we made it. Let's see. Second test. Count 0 was okay. Let's see what happens to count 2. Perfect. Also, the sound test just runs fine. So I think we have another live and kicking Commodore 64. Super nice. Well done, man. Perfect. So see you soon. Bye.